Now I will explain a very important term in chemistry, and the term is valency. Valency can be defined in several ways. One of the ways in which it can be defined is it is the combining capacity of an atom of an element. The second way in which valency can be defined is it is the number of electrons lost, gained, or shared by an atom during a chemical reaction. In other words, we can say as many electrons as an atom loses, gains, or share is its valency. Let us see the valency of few elements on the basis of electrons lost. Sodium loses one electron to form Na plus or Na1 plus. So the valency of sodium is +1. Calcium loses 2 electrons to form Ca2 plus. So valency of calcium is +2. Iron loses 3 electrons during a chemical reaction to form Fe3 plus. So the valency of iron is +3. Now let us see the valency of few elements on the basis of electrons gained. Chlorine gains 1 electron to form Cl1 minus. So valency of chlorine is -1. Oxygen gains 2 electrons during a chemical reaction to form O2 minus. So valency of oxygen is -2. Now let us see the valency of few elements on the basis of electrons shared. During the formation of hydrogen gas molecule, each hydrogen atom gives 1 electron for sharing. Here this hydrogen atom is giving 1 electron for sharing. Here this hydrogen atom is giving 1 electron for sharing. As a result, one pair of electron is shared between 2 hydrogen atoms. And since each hydrogen atom is giving 1 electron for sharing, so valency of each hydrogen atom will be 1. Let us take one more example. During the formation of nitrogen gas molecule, each nitrogen atom gives 3 electrons for sharing. As a result, 3 pair of electrons are shared between 2 nitrogen atoms. Since each nitrogen atom is giving 3 electrons for sharing, so each nitrogen atom has valency 3. So remember, valency is defined as the number of electrons lost, gained, or shared by an atom during a chemical reaction.